Hi friends, I'll show you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. Let's get started. Without delay, first open Chrome on your computer, then go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. When the window opens, look for the time range option. You can choose the time period you want. If you want to delete your entire browsing history, select All Time. Next, make sure browsing history is checked. If you only want to remove your browsing history, you can leave the other boxes unchecked. Now, click Delete Data, and that's it. Your browsing history will be cleared in Google Chrome. If you only want to remove specific websites, you can do that too. Just click the three dots again, go to History, and then click History one more time. There, you can find individual websites and delete them one by one. Like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.